Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete your Instagram posts all at once, or if you want to like the bulk delete Instagram posts. If you have a lots of different Instagram posts and you want to delete like specific types of them, or specific posts that you posted a long time ago, like cringe posts, a lot of posts that were posted by accident. It's pretty easy and it's actually pretty hidden actually. So basically you're going to launch up Instagram, and from Instagram, as you can see, I am on the home button. You're going to navigate on the bottom right corner, okay, on your profile icon. And as you can see here, there's, if you keep clicking on one of them so you can multiple select each one of them, you're not going to be able to do it. So what you're going to do is that you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner, and then you're going to click on your activity. Now, from your activity, you're going to navigate all the way to something called Contents You Shared. And as you can see, I've got posts, reels, and highlights. So let's say I want to delete some posts. I'm going to go in, and from posts, after it loads, you can sort them out from here, and you're going to click on select. And you can select all the posts that you want to delete, and after that, you're going to click on delete or archive. I would recommend for you to archive your posts, just in case if you change your mind, you just don't regret it. But if you're sure you want to delete your posts, just click on delete. So this is basically how you can delete all your Instagram posts at once. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.